Hello friends, welcome to Code with Kartiki. So today we will see how to implement 4-digit bank OTP generator in Python. So this is very easy. For example, we want OTP as 4 digits. So for example 1234. So this is our OTP. Like this we want to implement. So for this to implement we are going to use a sample function from random module from random import sample function, then from string module import digits, right? So now these two we are going to use. So sample is function and digits is containing 0 to 9 digits as a string, right? So now this we are going to use. Now first we will use this sample function. So sample, and this function takes two arguments. So whatever the digits I want to shuffle, so those digits I have passed, and from these digits I want 4. Means what this function will do, it will randomly shuffle digits and it will return us 4 digits, right? And now I will receive those 4 digits here. So now here for example I am taking here uh, D is equal to this, and we will print this on the console what we got here, D, and we will run this program. Now we got here 9631. So it has written us one list of 4 numbers, right? 4 digits we got. Now what we want to do, so this is one list and we want to join this. So our OTP is like this, right? So we want to join this. So for this we have to use join method on list. So this join method, how to use this? So here we are going to use this blank string and join, and whatever the output of this sample I am passing to this join. So what is this join method will do? Whatever the here separator you have given, so based on that, so it will join. For example, I don't want any separation between these digits, so that's why I have used here blank string. So if I use here hyphen, so it will join these 4 digits using this hyphen. So I will run this, right? So 5840, I don't want this, so because of this I am keeping here blank, right? And if I run this, so now I got this 5410. So now our OTP we got. So we will properly uh, write this in message, your OTP is, using F string I am printing on the console, right? And if I run this, so your OTP is 1657. As it is randomly generating numbers, so because of that at every time we are getting different numbers, right? So I have shown you all the steps how to implement this 4-digit bank OTP generator in Python, right? So if you like this video, please like it, and if you like the content of my channel, please subscribe and press bell icon to get notification. Thanks for watching the video.